Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can create custom navigation menu in Shopify. So first off, you just need to go to Shopify dashboard. So make sure to log in with your account, go to online store, and here if we're going to click on themes. So from here and then click on customize. So currently in the default page or default theme, as you can see, we have home, we have the catalog, we have the contact. So I have here three navigation menu. Now what we can do to basically create a custom navigation menu is going to the online store right here in the dashboard and click on navigation. So from here, as you can see, my password is protected. You can basically remove the password or maybe just let the settings default. All right. If you're going to navigation here, you can basically add a new menu right here. You can basically click on add menu and you can start creating a brand new menu on your online store. But in this case, I'm going to just go to the main menu and I'm going to edit all of the navigation of current menu on my store. So as you can see, I have home, catalog, and the contact. I'm going to remove the two menu right here and I'm going to create a menu item. So I'm going to click on add menu item right here and then I'm going to name this. For example, this one here is all products, and then I'm going to search and paste the link here. I'm going to just select products and then we're going to just select all products right here and then click add at the bottom right. So we have the first menu item here, then again add the menu item. So this one here is, for example, is a men's shirt. Then you can add the products and go to the men's shirt or the specific product right here, or you can basically go to collections. I have my collections right here. For example, going back right here and then select the men's shirts. So all of the men's product will be added. And then the add menu item for this one here is women's dress. Right, so we're going to add this menu item right here and I can basically add the link. So go to collections and go to women's dress. Right, then click add at the bottom right. Now another menu item here is accessories. So here I'm going to add the jewelry as one of my product, then click add. So there you go, we have the menu items here on my store. Now if you want to create or add a sub menu or drop down menu, you just basically drag any of the item and just go and drag and drop right here at the bottom of all products. So for example, I have the all products as the main menu, and then I have here some sub menu items. So again, just need to drag the item and drop right over here, and the last one is accessories. There you go, I have all products and three sub menus right here. So as you can see, you can add menu items here depending on your preference. You can add about us, location, contacts, so depending on what you want on your online store. So you just have to add and the link. And then once you've done right here, just click on the save menu right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Now once you created your main menu, you can now go to online store and go to themes and click on customize. So right here, if you going to your page, you can see we have home and all products. So if you're going to click on all products, you can select accessories, men's shirt, women's dress. So as you can see, we have just created these sub menu items. Now, what we can do here is we're going to customize the header. So we can basically customize the header. We can add some color or color scheme, or we can basically change the position. For example, here, if we're going to click on the header, now on the left side menu, you will see here different options. First up, desktop logo position. You can select if you want your logo on the top left, top center, middle left, or middle center. So in my case, I'm going to select this one, and then you can basically go to desktop menu type if you want drop down, if you want a mega menu, or a drawer. If you select drawer, if you click on the three lines, as you can see the items. And in this case, I'm going to select mega menu right over here, as you can see once we have just clicked on the menu item. Now from here, we can also change the sticky header if you want on the scroll up. So every time you scroll down your page and scroll up, you will find your header, or if you want always, then it will always show up your header right here. Now I'm going to select this one. Next is the color scheme. You can change the color scheme depending on your branding or your preference. So just need to click on the color here. So in this case, I'm going to select a black as my color scheme. And then you can also select the menu color right here. Just let that white over there. And you can go to some of the options here and customize your own header. And once you've done, don't forget to save. Just click on the save at the top right, and just need to click on the desktop view or the mobile view to see your changes. If you click on the three dots here and click on view, now it will show up your online store. So as you can see here, I'm on my store. I have home and all products, and if you're going to select any of the menu item, then basically it will show up the product. Now if you want to edit and customize your page, you can just go back right here anytime you want. Just go to the navigation. For example, you want to add some menu items. For example, you want to add about us or contacts or all products. You just have to edit and customize right over here. And also you can just go back anytime on themes, wherein you can customize your own header. You can basically change this one, and you can change the spacing, the padding right here, or the margin on this header. So yeah, so depending on your preference, you can basically customize and having your brand. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.